Hey guys, we're out here trying to show the kids farm life. Come with us. Say hi, camera. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh wow. So this is from good. Thank you. You too. Oh, Martin Luther. So this is a historical place, right? Historical living farm. So this literally follows the USA seasons, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's like a
So
spring,
like spring
break.
Summer, summer, fall, and winter.
Okay.
Complete cycle.
Oh, Chichi, look at the cornfields. That's a cornfields, right?
Oh, look at the corn.
Say chibage. Chichi. Say chibage. Cheza. Say chibage. Yeah, good job. Chibage is corn in Shona. Wow. And what do we have here? That's mubora. That's pumpkin. Pumpkin leaves.
Pumpkin leaves. What? The pumpkins haven't grown yet. It's still leaves. See, they've already started to flower.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you see the chickens? Yeah, chickens, Ako. Did you see the chickens, Ari? Ah. Ini tell ya ga kurande. Yeah.
Yeah, those are sunflowers.
Yeah, like the sunflowers on your dress.
You're right.
Chichi, look at that vegetable. What is it called?
Ooh,
You know that vegetable. You like it. It's a cabbage.
yeah.
Yeah, that's one.
That's right.
These are my favorite. I ate them a lot.
Exactly.
Yeah, you eat cabbage a lot. You love cabbage.
Ooh, look, and then they have tomatoes over there.
They have, yeah, they have tomatoes. And look at the farm worker. And they have tomatoes.
That's a farmer.
Oh, the farmer. That's the farm worker. That's the farmer. That's Old McDonald. Do you see Old McDonald? Look at Old McDonald. Come, let's say hi.
Yeah. My tomatoes that I got to eat. What are those?
Hmm?
Beans.
Yeah, beans. Wow. Go say hi. You don't want to say hi? Say hello. Okay, I guess we're not. That's the farmhouse. Oh, and these are grapes. Look at the grapes. Me too. I love this chair. That's a wooden chair. You wanna go sit there, Chichi? Ariko, Ako, come sit at the chair. The wooden bench. Look at the wooden bench, buddy. Go sit at the wooden bench. Look, Ako is sitting on the wooden bench. Here, baby. Come sit. Come sit with mommy. What? Say peace. He's shocked that. Oh, okay.
That's amazing, right?
Oh, these are the grapes like the ones we have in Zim. Yeah. The tiny ones. I wonder what they're called.
Yes, Sissy. Is that the what?
This is the old farmhouse. Old farmhouse. Chiba?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
It's an old farmhouse. Look at the factory.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Ako, no, you can't play the piano.
Yes. You can sit there. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Look at the old crib. Okay. Come, Chichi. Come, Chichi. Okay, that's
Okay,
enough.
let's go, guys.
That's enough.
Let's go.
Yes, honey. Let's go. Huh? So maybe these are the originals.
This one's the kitchen.
Wow. They didn't have KitchenAid. They didn't have. What's the other one? Stainless steel.
Yeah.
And
all stainless steel appliances.
What's the British one? Yeah, they didn't have Smag. Look at the farm boy.
No, we're gonna walk around first and then we go, okay?
Please do not touch the eggs.
Let's go, guys.
How much? Wow. Hello. Wow. Hmm? Jeez. That's open. Oh. Hey. Punish my wasp. I was a bit worried. What?
Right here. Right here. Yeah. I'm showing you, Gigi. You do this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you do it. Use both hands.
Wow, Chichi.
How many?
Those hands, Gigi.
Good.
Gojo.
Chigojo. Wow.
Okay. Then I come.
Careful.
You do this.
Aqua, you wanna try too? And I? Aqua's turn. Good, Aqua.
Good job.
Good job. Good job, Abigail. Good job. Okay, let's. Okay. Don't touch the stove. Wow. Don't touch this. Don't touch anything, Abigail.
Wow.
Look at the double stove.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Wow. And these beetroots were actually being they're actually warm. The stove is still warm, so don't touch it. Wow. Ah, it's a chishamba guy. Hey, did you know this? Chishamba. Chibu guesses. Okay, let's go. Careful, bite, guys. It's the barn. I love the whole setup.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, it's the hike back there carrying one, eh?
Is it? This is legit.
You see water? That's a creek. Oh wow.
Good done. I'll go good done. Good done.
Ari, get down, my son. Wow, look at the barn. Inside? Yeah, we can get inside, Sissy. You see those white things? Yeah, they're like bird what? But they're made from I don't see mapudzi or magods, like even like button things.
Yeah, yeah.
That's so creative. You can smell that. Mm. Okay. Say hi to the farmer.
Oh, did you come see the sheep?
What?
Gigi,
Come see the sheep.
come see the sheep.
Look at all this. It's amazing.
Then I come see the sheep.
Come see the sheep.
Oh, look at the sheep.
Oh my goodness.
Gigi. You know what it is, Gigi?
But you like lamb?
Look, see, Gigi, look.
Chichi, you know the lamb chops you like?
Gigi, look.
They come from these
See?
little lambs.
See? See? We're touching the sheep. Come touch the sheep. See?
Hi, sheep.
Look, they're eating. Look, they're eating their food. You wanna touch it? Don't be scared. You want to touch him?
Say hi, sheep. Yeah. Touch, Uncle. Touch, buddy. Say hi.
See? See? Hi, sheep.
Touch, Uncle.
He won't bite you.
Yeah, good job, Uncle.
See? Good night. You want to touch the sheep? When I do. When I do, it's fascinating. Titi, look, they have 2 cows over there.
Titi, you don't want to touch the sheep? Titi, you don't want to touch the sheep?
It's so soft. It's
so soft.
Look at that.
Baba, black sheep. Yeah. This is the sheep, but it's not black though.
There's 2
yeah,
of them.
nice. Touch the sheep and say hi, sheep.
I'm scared. What up? I didn't know what
There's a cow, Uncle.
There's 2 of them.
What, Uncle?
2.
2 what?
You can do that.
2 cows.
Wow.
They don't bite.
Hey. Babe, look at these cows.
I know, right?
They are huge.
If you can touch the frog.
Hey. Karubata. Let's try. Oh, look, mommy's touching it. Look, mommy's touching it.
See?
Hi, little lambs.
You wanna try?
Hi. Say hi. Look.
Okay, touch the ears. See? Look.
Yes, that's 2 cows, honey.
See? Look.
Oh,
See?
touch
Yes.
it. To touch the wool.
Touch the side.
Wow, the
See?
wool is so soft.
See? It's so soft. Then I
Wow.
It's so
Good
fresh.
job, guys.
Touch her. There you go, Dana. You did it. Good job, guys.
You guys did it.
There you go. You touch the sheep. Sissy, put your hand right here. Put your hand like this. You can hear, you can feel it breathing.
Yeah.
They don't bite.
There's 2 cows.
You did it.
Yes.
You want to touch it? Yes, Sissy.
Wow, Chichi.
And Atiba.
Atiba.
It's not gonna bite you.
Wow, Ariko. Good job.
What Atiba? What?
I got it, my battery.
Oh,
Wow. Oh, baby, look, there's a ram.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. There's a ram out here. See it will come, Tipa. And there's so much feed. They'll never starve. There's the apple. It's called a ram. I saw it, Mama. I saw it. Tipa, Tipa. Eddie? Hello. Look at the horses, guys. Look at this old machine. Wow. Yes? Yeah, it's a big horse. It's taller. You want to touch the horse? Okay. All right.
Yeah,
We'll wait for others and then we'll do. You can get up there.
No, that one looks no, that one looks like you. That's what I meant.
Hey guys, can you turn around real quick? Look at the camera.
Oh, look.
Gunner, Cora.
Not social one. No, that one looks like
Gunner.
No, not that one.
Can I get?
Not that one.
I'm trying.
At the map. That's what. Let's show mommy where you wanna go. Show me. Where do you wanna go? Where there's a straw. Okay, we'll go see the straw. Okay. Let me hold your map for you.
Don't touch your mouth. Just put it right here. There you go. See? Good job.
Good job, kid. Good job, Ari. You can share, guys. You can all fit. Take turns.
The stall even looks exactly like it. It does look a lot like
Look at this guy.
We want to get up there.
my mom wants to know if you guys are ready to eat.
Yeah, we need to wash hands first though.
Then we need to go so that I can capture. No, those are cobs. That's not poop. Good little pigs.
Come over here. Come over here.
Oh, there's a big one.
Come kind of here.
Is it a daddy?
It's a daddy. Yeah.
That's another big one.
It's big one. Tifa not topping. Tifa wants to get inside. Ariko, he likes the little ones.
We can go beside. Somebody. Ariko, come.
Yeah, look at all those tools. Those are cake tools that worked then. You know, they got the job done.
Whoa, Danai. Danai. There we go.
Wow.
Here they come.
They're gonna do
Yeah.
all from us today at the farm.
Wow.
Guys, say bye, camera. Bye, camera. Until next time. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Titan is mommy. Gonna put him on the side. When I say bye, camera. Bye, camera. Bye, camera. Bye, camera.